I'm going to be showing you 2 adult Halloween drinks that you can take or serve at a Halloween party and everyone is going to love it. So one is sugar-free for all those keto low carb people that watch my channel, and one is regular, and I guarantee both are going to taste amazing. So want to know what they are? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so we do host a Halloween party at our house that is happening this weekend. So I'm going to be making 2 different drinks, one that I can have because it's sugar-free and one that everybody else can enjoy. And that is a candy corn martini. So the first thing that you're gonna need is vodka. Now, you're gonna wanna get cheap vodka, like plastic bottle vodka, because you're going to be infusing this with candy corn. And so there is no point in spending a ton of money on really nice vodka. This isn't one of those drinks. So you're gonna take your vodka and you're going to take your candy corn. And then you need an airtight container. I just use a Tupperware container. First thing you're gonna do is take your bag of candy corn. I'm gonna be making 2 of these with 2 of these, since we have about 50 people coming over this weekend. So you're gonna dump this in, just like that. And then you're gonna dump this in. And then you're gonna leave this, seal it up, leave it on your counter for 3 or 4 days. So you're gonna have to do this in advance because you're gonna wait for all of this to dissolve into your vodka. And when I come back, I will show you what to do next after you've let it dissolve. It's gonna turn this orange and then we're gonna show you how to mix it. But first, you just pour this in, just like that, get it all the way in there. Editing Heather, fast forward. Done. All right, so you're just gonna let this sit and cover it up, let it sit for a couple of days. And then you're gonna mix it half with pineapple juice. I just buy big cans of pineapple juice. I'll have that in the next scene here to show you. And then you're gonna mix it up. Now you can mix it with a shaker with ice and pour them into martini glasses and make them individually. But I have found that if you're having a big party, you're gonna wanna put it just in a drink dispenser. Make sure if there's children there, it is labeled properly because it does look like orange punch, and it's not. Also, it's pretty deadly because it's half this infused vodka and half pineapple juice mixed together. So it tastes amazing and just like kind of an orangey pineapple punch, but it packs the punch. So what I do is get a dispenser and use these little plastic glasses here so that you just fill up a little bit, you get a good kind of taste. It's sort of a double shot of it without it being too much. If you're doing a dinner party or something that's just a little bit less people and you want to have a whole martini of it, feel free, but just be careful because it is pretty potent stuff and you can overdo it. Okay, so that is the regular version. And what I'm gonna show you next is my keto version. Now, obviously, if you're doing keto and you're having no sugar, pineapple juice and candy corn are not on the menu. So I have adapted a version of it. It's not going to be a candy corn martini. It's going to be a Halloween martini that's close. Okay, for this, you're going to go a little bit higher end on your vodka. I got the Burnett's Orange Cream vodka, and it is orange. It's going to have the same color that the regular stuff is going to have. And then I am mixing it with Old Orchard Healthy Balance Pineapple Orange Diet Drink. And this does have 3 carbs for 8 ounces, but you're not going to be using 8 ounces. You're going to be using way less than that. Maybe give yourself 4, so you're going to have 1.5 carbs for this drink if you're using 4 ounces of this. And all you're going to do is do half of this and half of this. So we're going to try this out. I'm just gonna use my little cup here. I'm gonna stick 1 ice cube in it because it's not cold. Maybe 2. Okay, so, and you can dilute this, by the way. If you don't want it half and half, if you feel like that's too strong and you'd rather go 3/4 to 1/4, just do a shot of this and then do your 4 ounces of that. Totally fine. Same with the original version. It doesn't have to be half and half. You can do more pineapple juice to vodka and dilute it down. It'll go farther as far as your alcohol goes. But if you are gonna put it in a big serving pitcher and you're gonna pre-mix it, you're gonna wanna do that the day before maybe, or the morning of your party, and keep it in the refrigerator so that it's nice and cold and you don't have to use a shaker and make them individually. This does taste better cold. So do that if you wanna plan it ahead. So all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make a little one. Let's pick up my kids today. I found this juice, by the way, at Walmart. So it's pretty readily available, I think. And then you're gonna go like that. Normally I'd use a stir straw, but this is real life, so the finger it is. This one is your virtual sugar-free. It's gonna be the 1.5 carbs. I mean, I didn't even use 4 ounces in this. I used probably 1 or 2 ounces of pineapple juice in this, so it's less than a carb. But this is what it looks like. It's orange and pretty and festive for Halloween. Let's taste it. Tastes like orange pineapple. It's very refreshing, actually. Really good. So you can try both of these versions. In the next clip, I will show you how to make the actual one. Through the magic of internet. Ready? And we're back. Okay, so it has been 48 hours. So it only takes a couple of days to do this. I couldn't remember if it was 3 days, 4 days, 2 days. It's 2. And what we have left is orange candy corn vodka, but it does still have a little bit of the waxy film on it from the candy. So what I do is I strain it, and I'm going to show you. I'm just going to use a strainer here, and I'm going to try and do this without spilling it everywhere. But you're just going to want to strain it out so that you don't get any of that stuff in. Okay, so like I said before, what I use is just this Dole pineapple juice, and I do half of this and half of our vodka mixture. And if you're just doing a small dinner party, I do a little martini glass like this, put a few candy corns in the bottom of it, and there you have it. Now again, if you're gonna just do this individually, put it in a shaker with some ice and strain it through like a true martini, and it'll be nice and cold. I'm going to be mixing mine up ahead of schedule so that it's already done and I don't have to mess with it, and I can enjoy my guests instead of playing bartender. But for small purposes like this, it's good to just shake it up in the ice and pour it in. And let's give this a taste now. It's got sugar, so just a little bit. It's good stuff. I hope that you will try this out if you are wanting something fun and festive for Halloween. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you found this fun and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody who you think might be interested in trying out one of these recipes. And if you have not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell if you find this information helpful and useful or fun or entertaining or any of those things, and join our group. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. Happy Halloween.